Hey, good morning. Mark Yagi here, and we're in a red market, but that doesn't mean there aren't opportunities. And so this has been an opportunity that I've been saying stay away from for quite a while, and that's because it was toppy, and that's Palantir technology. So now I'm kind of turning my tables here, turning my head, and looking and saying, all right, maybe this is a buy. Now the problem is it's a red market, and 70% of a stock's direction comes from the direction of the market. And we're in a market that I think is continuing to decline. It may stop here and go up. I don't try to predict markets. I just try to play the trends. And right now we're in a downtrend, even though it's kind of looks like it's softening up and maybe getting steady at the bottom. So I'm looking at Palantir. Here it is on your screen. And so take a look at Palantir. It made a high right in here. Let's see what it is here. Right in here at 125, okay? And then it went down all the way to, what was it, about 66 bucks, something like that. So it's making what's called a double bottom pattern, and it's a new early stage base. So this is now prime time to buy Palantir. The problem is the market's red, but that doesn't mean it can hold you back. So I want to point out that there is an entry here, and then I want to point out how you can make an incredible covered call amount of return on it. So let's say we're talking about 1,000 shares. So that's $98,000 to buy this. So it's fairly inexpensive compared to some of the other stocks that I look at, like Tesla and MicroStrategy, things like that. So it's it's basically a $100 stock. So you're talking about $100 grand investment. Now let me just kind of go over the pattern of this. So you had this high down here. So this leg down was significant, right? Look at all the red in this leg down. So there was a lot of selling. And if you remember my videos from a couple months ago, I'm like, don't be buying Palantir because it's extended, especially this gap up. Then it had a nice little bounce, okay? And it bounced up, and notice how first of all, it filled that gap. So that's number one. It had, gaps get filled in the market. First thing that happened is it filled that gap on the leg down. It bounced up here, right? Couldn't hold the $100 level, and then it made another leg down. Now, we had what's called a hammer candle here. See this beautiful hammer candle? It's a nice candle on good volume. And so now we're going up the other side of that candle, and we are at the apex of the double bottom. So it's two Vs, one V here and one V. If I were to draw it, let me draw a trend line here. We're right here on this V. So you see there's two Vs, and we're at the top of this V. Now, first of all, this downtrend line was a break of the trend line, and we got a break above that. So that would have been an early entry, but it's below the 50-day moving average. It's very hard for me, maybe different for you, for me to make an early entry below the 50-day moving average. I like it for it to be above. And we were in a red market, so I wouldn't take that that move. But now we are above this red line, this 50-day moving average, and we're at the apex of the double Vs, right? The double bottom pattern. By the way, the double bottom pattern, you have to have the lower V higher than, or lower V lower than the upper V there, right? So we did all that. This is like shaping up to be a really, really great pattern. Like I said, the problem is the market. Now let's go and look at the options. Okay, so here are the options on Palantir. And this is pre-market here on April 16th. But I just want you to see what I'm seeing here. Now, right now bidding 96.75. So this might be a little bit skewed. And you could say, all right, well, let's see. The 96s, which are $2 in the money, now it's showing that they're at the money, or slightly in the money, are paying $5.30. The 97s were paying $5.47, which is, if you have 1,000 shares, it's $5,475 for basically 9 days. Now we have today and tomorrow for trading, and then we have 5 more days next week. So it's really 7 business days. And look at the covered call return on that. If you could do the same thing over and over again, you'll get 232%, okay? And you don't need the stock to do anything except stay the same. Now, if it goes down, that's okay too, because you're going to be getting this juice, right? And so the whole point is not to try to predict that Palantir is breaking out, because I think it is. So if you don't want to do covered calls, take a look at that. But if you do want to do covered calls, whether it breaks out or not, you're going to get this $5,325. And for 1,000 shares, that's $5,325 on a $100,000 investment. That's 5% for essentially just over a week, right? If you could turn around and do that a bunch of times this year, you're talking about 220%. I'm an in the money call guy. So in a red market, I would probably look at going a little bit safer on this, even though I think it's breaking out, but we're in a red market. So this is the way my mind works. 70% of a stock's direction comes from the direction of the market, but when a stock is actually breaking out, maybe it's giving you an early chance to get in the stock that you may not get if we're in a green market. So this is an opportunity to, if you wanted to buy some Palantir, you put in a probe, like Star Trek, you send a probe down to the planet, right? And see if there's life down there. Well, kind of the same thing. You do instead of doing 1,000 shares, maybe you do 100 or 200, and you pyramid into the position as you're right. And if you're wrong, you only lose a little bit. But if you're right, then you could start adding to your position, and you can average up instead of what the mistake is that most people do is they average down. So maybe I would look at doing something like these 92s, which gives you from yesterday's price a 6% decline, or maybe a 7% decline from 98.40 down to 92. Well, that's a pretty good little cushion, and you still get $406 per contract, or $406, yes, per contract, which is $4,000 per contract. That's still a little bit over 4%. And let's look at the delta here. The delta is 66, which means you have a 66% chance of the stock staying above 92. Now, a lot of people ask me on the channel, well, Mark, won't you get called away and won't you get exercise? The answer is no. Usually 99.9% of the time I don't, because what I do is at the end of the week, I roll the position. And my goal is to own an asset and sell options against it for income. So if I could pick up 4% a week or 5% a week on income, and this is a little bit more than a week, I know that, but that's 250% a year, right? Just on the juice. And that's the maximum amount. So anytime you can keep your stock price above your strike price, you're in a winning position. So yes, the more you go down into the money, the less extrinsic value that you get, right? So that's the column I should be quoting, is the extrinsic value. Sorry about pointing to the wrong one there. But it's still $4.07 for $4,070 on 1,000 shares. So the lower I go, the deeper I go, the safer I go, the less I make. But on a stock like this, where it's paying, and actually these are real options, they are moving around right now, then I will make, $3,950, right? So that's the one I would probably do. So let's assume that that's the one I do. I buy the stock for right now $96.80, and I turn around and I sell 10 calls against it for $392 a share, basically, or $392 per contract, or $3,850, what it says right there on the screen. That's what I would do, and I would probably look out at continuing to do this as long as the stock rewards me. Now, the market's closed, and it's going to open soon, and it's going to be a flat week anyway. So this may not be a bad idea or a bad time to enter into Palantir. So that's the wrap there. If you're interested in learning a little bit more about what we do, I've got some links at the bottom. But if you haven't subscribed here, like, subscribe, and all that kind of stuff, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks. Bye. Hey, it's Mark Yagi, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do that right now. That would be a great favor to me, and plus it helps me get this material out to a lot of other people that might need it. I've got a little bit of a movement going on here, and I want to try to change the world one person at a time, showing them that you can make safe, reliable income from the stock market. And plus it helps to grow the channel a little bit. Also, if you would give me a thumbs up on the video and like it, great. If you don't like it, give me a thumbs down, that's cool. But just tell me why you don't like it so I can get better. And then hit the notification bell so you can get these videos as soon as they come out, because a lot of times this is timely information and you want to get that information before it gets stale. The last thing is to join my free Insider Tips newsletter. There's a link below, and you get everything in one spot. You get breaking news and analysis also. So that would be great if you could do that too. See you soon.